13 Steps on how the world's largest cruise ship makes 30,000 meals every day. Welcome back to BIZNOB, your go-to channel for insider insights into how businesses operate. Today, we're setting sail into the fascinating world of cruise ship operations to uncover the secrets behind how the world's largest cruise ship manages to prepare a staggering 30,000 meals every single day. So buckle up and get ready to embark on a culinary adventure like no other. Let's set sail into the world of high seas hospitality with BIZNOB. 1. Loading and inventory management. Before each voyage, meticulous loading and inventory management ensure the world's largest cruise ship is fully provisioned for its passengers and crew. This process involves detailed planning and coordination with suppliers to determine the quantity and variety of food needed. Deliveries are unloaded at the ship's dock and carefully stored across multiple decks. Perishables are kept in refrigerated rooms, while dry goods are stored separately. Inventory is meticulously tracked using management systems to maintain accurate stock levels and prevent shortages. Throughout, inventory managers oversee receipt, storage, and distribution, adjusting orders in real time based on passenger demographics and consumption patterns. Overall, this process is critical, demanding precise planning and coordination to meet the ship's culinary requirements throughout the voyage. 2. Planning and forecasting. Planning and forecasting are crucial for provisioning food on the world's largest cruise ship, allowing its management team to anticipate and meet diverse passenger needs. This process begins early, using data analysis of past voyages, passenger demographics, and consumption patterns to forecast food and beverage requirements accurately. The itinerary's details, including voyage duration and special events, shape menu selections and provisioning plans. Collaboration with suppliers ensures timely delivery to the ship's dock, with attention to managing inventory levels to avoid shortages or excess. Effective planning and forecasting are essential to ensure the ship meets passengers' culinary expectations throughout each voyage, offering diverse menus that cater to various preferences and cultural tastes. 3. Ordering and adjustments. The world's largest cruise ship undertakes a meticulous process to procure food and ingredients after completing its planning and forecasting. Orders are placed based on voyage specifics like menu rotation and passenger demographics, aiming to meet consumption needs while accommodating changes in preferences or circumstances. This involves detailed coordination among the ship's management, inventory managers, and suppliers to ensure timely and accurate provisioning. Adjustments are made as necessary, such as increasing kid-friendly items or seafood options, reflecting passenger demographics and port visits. Overall, this process underscores the critical role of careful planning and flexibility in satisfying the culinary requirements of passengers and crew alike. 4. Loading and transportation. Once the orders are confirmed, the world's largest cruise ship begins the meticulous process of loading food and ingredients during turnaround day at port. Trucks carrying pallets of inventory items arrive at the loading dock, where port workers and ship crew collaborate to unload and transport them onto the ship. This highly coordinated operation involves logistics personnel ensuring efficient loading of all items, especially perishables like fresh produce, dairy, and seafood, which are stored in refrigerated containers to maintain freshness. Specialized equipment such as forklifts and conveyor belts is used to transport items to designated storage areas on board. Careful attention is given to labeling, storing, and securing items to prevent damage or spoilage. Overall, this loading and transportation process is crucial for ensuring that the world's largest cruise ship is well provisioned and ready for its next voyage, requiring meticulous planning, coordination, and execution. 5. Storage and organization. Upon arrival on the world's largest cruise ship, food and ingredients undergo meticulous organization and storage in designated areas across multiple decks. Perishables like fresh produce and dairy are kept in refrigerated rooms to maintain freshness, while dry goods such as grains and canned items are stored in dry rooms to prevent moisture damage. Each area is meticulously arranged and labeled by type, category, and expiration date to ensure efficient access and inventory management. Real-time inventory systems track stock levels, monitor usage patterns, and allow for adjustments as necessary. Strict hygiene and safety protocols are rigorously followed throughout, including regular inspections to ensure compliance with food safety standards. Overall, this process is critical for maintaining high food quality and safety standards on board, requiring careful planning and adherence to strict guidelines. 6. Preparation and pre-production. Before food is served to passengers on the world's largest cruise ship, it undergoes a rigorous pre-production process to ensure safety, freshness, and quality. This process begins in dedicated prep kitchens, where culinary teams wash, cut, chop, marinate, and portion food items according to recipes and menu specifications. Specialized equipment like industrial mixers and slicers enhances efficiency, enabling round-the-clock preparation of fresh food. Strict hygiene protocols are upheld, including staff training in food handling and the use of protective gear to prevent contamination. Overall, this meticulous preparation and pre-production process on the ship demands careful planning, coordination, and attention to detail to maintain the highest standards of food quality and safety. 7. Cooking and culinary operations. Once ingredients are prepped, the next phase in the food provisioning process on the world's largest cruise ship involves cooking and culinary operations. This stage is orchestrated by a skilled team of chefs and kitchen staff across 37 specialized kitchens, known as galleys. These galleys cater to diverse culinary needs, from international cuisine to specialty dishes like sushi and steak. Each kitchen is staffed with experienced chefs who meticulously execute menu items with precision, despite challenges posed by confined spaces and the necessity to prepare large quantities of food quickly. To meet these demands, cruise ship kitchens are equipped with advanced appliances such as industrial stoves, ovens, grills, and fryers. These tools enable chefs to cook substantial volumes efficiently while maintaining high standards of productivity and consistency. The culinary team employs sophisticated cooking techniques and recipes crafted by culinary experts to create a varied and appealing menu that enhances the onboard dining experience. Throughout the cooking process, rigorous quality control measures ensure that every meal meets stringent criteria for taste, presentation, and food safety. Regular taste tests and inspections verify food quality, allowing any issues to be promptly addressed. Overall, the cooking and culinary operations aboard the world's largest cruise ship showcase the team's expertise, dedication, and collaborative spirit. Through meticulous planning, precise execution, and a commitment to culinary excellence, cruise ship chefs deliver dining experiences that rival top restaurants ashore. 8. Plating and presentation. Once meals are expertly cooked, they undergo meticulous plating and presentation before being served in the ship's dining areas. Cruise ship chefs use garnishing, sauce drizzling, and creative arrangement to ensure each dish is visually appealing and balanced in flavor and texture. Service staff deliver meals promptly with care, enhancing the dining experience, especially during special events with elaborate displays. Dining rooms feature elegant decor and ocean views, providing a sensory-rich experience. Overall, plating and presentation elevate dining on the world's largest cruise ship, transforming meals into memorable culinary adventures that delight passengers. 9. Service and delivery. Once meals are plated and presented, the final step in the food provisioning process on the world's largest cruise ship is service and delivery to passengers. This stage involves coordinated efforts by waitstaff, servers, and dining room managers to ensure prompt and attentive delivery of meals. Service is characterized by professionalism and attention to detail, with waitstaff trained to cater to individual preferences and dietary needs. They handle special requests efficiently, ensuring each passenger feels valued. Throughout the meal, waitstaff anticipate needs, refill drinks, clear tables, and provide recommendations to enhance the dining experience. They also maintain cleanliness and order in dining areas, promptly resetting tables between meals to ensure a welcoming environment for all passengers. Overall, service and delivery play a crucial role in creating a memorable dining experience on board. 10. Inventory management and stock control. Behind the scenes, a sophisticated inventory management system ensures the cruise ship's kitchens are well stocked with essential ingredients and supplies. This system begins with accurate forecasting based on historical data, passenger demographics, and menu rotations. It allows the procurement team to anticipate demand and order food, beverages, and supplies accordingly from suppliers. Upon delivery, items are inspected for quality and freshness before being organized into designated storage areas like refrigerators, freezers, and dry storage rooms. Throughout the voyage, inventory levels are closely monitored to track usage and prevent shortages or overages. Advanced technology such as inventory management software, barcode scanners, and RFID tags facilitate real-time tracking and efficient restocking. Regular audits and inventory counts ensure accurate records and help maintain system integrity. Effective inventory management and stock control are crucial for the food provisioning process on the world's largest cruise ship. They optimize inventory levels, minimize waste, and ensure timely replenishment, allowing cruise lines to efficiently meet passengers' culinary needs while maximizing operational efficiency. 11. Quality assurance and food safety. Ensuring high standards of quality and food safety is paramount in the food provisioning process on a cruise ship, where thousands of meals are prepared and served daily. The process begins with selecting reputable suppliers who adhere to strict food safety and quality standards, vetted through audits and inspections. Upon receipt, rigorous inspections and quality control checks confirm freshness, integrity, and compliance with specifications. Throughout food preparation, strict hygiene practices and sanitation protocols prevent cross-contamination and foodborne illness, including regular hand-washing and sanitization of surfaces and equipment. Cruise ship kitchens are equipped with state-of-the-art facilities like temperature-controlled storage and food-grade surfaces to maintain optimal food safety. Staff undergo extensive training in food safety and hygiene practices, covering handling, storage, preparation, and incident response protocols. Regulatory authorities and internal quality assurance teams conduct regular inspections and audits to ensure compliance with standards and promptly address any issues. Overall, quality assurance and food safety are top priorities in the food provisioning process on the world's largest cruise ship, ensuring passengers enjoy safe, wholesome, and delicious meals throughout their voyage. 12. Menu planning and development. Menu planning and development on the world's largest cruise ship is a meticulous process driven by collaboration among culinary experts, procurement specialists, and guest feedback. Beginning well before departure, menus are carefully crafted to cater to diverse dietary preferences, including vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, and allergy-sensitive diets. Led from Royal Caribbean's Miami headquarters, menus reflect global culinary trends, regional flavors, and cultural influences, adapted fleet-wide with adjustments for specific ship demographics and guest input. Each menu features a variety of appetizers, main courses, desserts, and beverages, emphasizing presentation, flavor balance, and nutritional quality for an unforgettable dining experience. Menu rotation ensures ongoing freshness and guest engagement, supported by collaborative efforts to optimize ingredient sourcing, storage, and production capabilities. Ultimately, this dynamic approach ensures that cruise passengers enjoy exceptional dining that surpasses expectations and creates lasting memories. 13. Environmental sustainability and waste management. Environmental sustainability is increasingly vital in food provisioning on cruise ships. Efforts focus on reducing waste and environmental impact. Strategies include optimizing inventory management, implementing portion control, and using onboard food waste digesters and composting systems to convert waste into compost or biofuel. Cruise lines are also exploring sustainable packaging and sourcing practices to minimize single-use plastics. Collaborative initiatives address responsible seafood sourcing, emission reduction, and renewable energy. Education campaigns promote sustainable behaviors among passengers and crew. Overall, sustainability is integral to cruise ship food provisioning, aiming to minimize ecological footprints and foster a sustainable industry future. We hope you enjoyed this insider look at how the world's largest cruise ship manages to serve up an impressive 30,000 meals each day. If you found this video insightful, remember to like, share, and subscribe to BIZNOB for more behind-the-scenes explorations into the inner workings of businesses around the globe. Until next time, fair winds and following seas from the BIZNOB team.